I balance caregiving and earning online. And the best thing is, you can do it too. Taking care of a loved one is tough, but when you can pay the bills while doing it, life becomes just that little bit easier. My journey from financial struggle to finding a flexible online income was long and very stressful, until I found the best online income method for caregivers or anyone else who want to change their financial lives. I can recommend the Legacy Builder Blueprint. You know, the emotional and financial relief of having a constant passive income is just wonderful. Work around your own schedule, which gives you the freedom to balance caregiving with earning money online. If you're in a similar situation than what I was, don't wait. Let me help you start earning with the Legacy Builder Blueprint on your terms today. You can contact me via email, my website, send me a DM, or by commenting on this video for all the information you need to get started today.